Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about the functionality of ArrayList. As we know that ArrayList is the implementation of list interface. See, whenever you are creating object of ArrayList, you need to specify what type of objects you are storing. And here, when you are collecting the reference, that reference variable can be either ArrayList type or simply it's a list type, anything we can take. I'm taking the array list. Now we are adding list.add. Sir, what add method will do? It will append the element. Append. Append means what? Add at end of the list. So we keep on adding list.add of 20, list.add of 30, right? And here you can add duplicates also because list allows duplicates. I'm just printing the functionality. So the list is, I'm printing the list directly. It will display the values. When you run the code, it will show you the output of this one. Simply here 10, 20, 30, 20. In which order we inserted, in the same order the values are printing. The next one is, there is a method called get method. So what this get method will do, if you specify the index, then it will return the value which is present in the index. Suppose here I'm giving like this, list dot get of. You can specify the index, suppose 2. Then in second location, what is the value? Suppose 30 is there. It will return that returned value. I'm printing directly. System.out.println, simply element at index 2. The message I'm printing clearly like this. Then only we call list.getOf. See here, get method is returning the value which is present at specified index. When you run this code, at this index 2, the value 30 is there. So is printing that 30. Now, sir, suppose if the index is not there, suppose I'm looking for the value which is at index 5. Is it there? No. If there is no such element, you will get exception called index out of bounds exception. Sir, how can we avoid this? We know that we have two options. Whenever you are accessing, either you can put it in a try block, in a catch block. In a catch block, you can handle that index out of bounds exception. Index out of bounds exception with a message. Just error. What is the error? You can call by using the get message method. You know that because we are good at exception handling concept. When you run now, look at this. It's giving the message index 5 out of bounds for length 4. Because that list length is 4 only. You are trying to access that element which is at index 5. Right? By handling this index out of bounds exception, we can use this. This is get method. Next one is, if you want to insert in the middle, list.add, you can specify the index in second location. 50 I want to insert. What it will do? Insert 50 at index is a 2. So then after inserting the element at index 2, if you see the output of this code, look at this, it is inserted at index 2, it is inserted. That is, so all elements will be shifted to next locations. Then the 50 inserted. Sir, I don't want to insert. I just want to replace. List dot set is there. Now at second location, the 50 I want to replace with the 75. It will replace index 2 element, whatever it is, with 75. Now if you display that list, if you see the output now, look at this. Previously 50 inserted, now 50 replaced with the new value is a 75. The next one is, I just want to remove the element from the list. How to remove elements from the list? List dot remove by specifying the index. Same one, the second location element will remove. Just removes index 2 element. Then printing. The second location element will be removed. Now see here that 75 removed. I just want to clear all elements from the list. List dot clear. Then it will remove all elements from the list. Then automatically that list is empty. List is empty. If you want to add, insert, getting the particular element, remove index element, remove all elements from the list. These are the methods we are using from the ArrayList. You please practice and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.